Hi, Doc Molly here. I'm going to show you how to use our embedded Quizlet sets to build a test that perfectly fits your learning needs. So here I am in our latest member lesson, Referral to an Allergist and Prescribing EpiPens. I'm going to click Quizlet set. This is a quick demonstration, so I'll set the question number to 5. We'll answer with Spanish. I want a challenge, so I'm going to click on Written here and untoggle multiple choice. Now, if I were new to this material, I recommend doing multiple choice first to familiarize yourself with the answers before going on to a written test. So I'll say Start Test. But before I begin, I'm first going to click on this gear, and under Grading Options, I'm going to toggle Require One Answer Only to On, and Typo Help to On. So if I make a minor error, my answer will still be graded as correct. The outer side, el lado exterior. Puede inyectarse a través de la ropa in an emergency, en caso de emergencia. Además, voy a recetarle autoinyectores de epinefrina para que pueda inyectarse si vuelve a tener una reacción. And I have familiarized myself with these answers, so I know exactly how they were worded, and I can imitate that for this quiz. Evitar. And I'll submit the test, and I got all of them right. And you'll see confetti for your right answers. Now, if you don't get them all right, you'll have an option here to retest yourself on the missed answers. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. Now, this is the first time I've set these in the embedded Quizlet set to test mode, but you can always get to test mode by clicking on the right lower corner and selecting Test. And here you go. You can set up your test. So you can do this on any of the embedded Quizlet sets throughout our courses. You can set up a test and customize it to your level and your learning needs. I hope you enjoyed this video y hasta la próxima.